What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do a video review of the GoPro Hero 11 versus the GoPro Hero 5 right here that I basically have. So basically I'm going to see if the GoPro Hero 5 still gonna hold up to the test against the GoPro Hero 11, just to basically show you guys some video footage if this camera right here is still relevant and if it can match up to the GoPro Hero 11 which recently released. So basically I'm going to test it. So in this video what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to put it in the same settings. I'm going to use 4K 30 frames wide angle lens both on the GoPro Hero 11 and the GoPro Hero 5 Black, just to give you guys some idea of how this footage basically hold up against each other. As you can basically see guys, we have the GoPro Hero 11 as you can see right here in 4K 30 frames wide angle lens, and the GoPro Hero 5 4K 30 wide angle lens as well. So I'm going to test now basically to see with the footage of these right here. Basically right now guys, I'm having them side to side view and I'm basically walking right now. As you can see, we have both of them together and the camera right here. You can basically see I'm walking out here just doing a vlog type video, and these two cameras right here as you can basically see. So you're basically facing vlog type video right now on these. You guys can basically see footage of this right here. So just walking around testing the camera, basically let you guys see how this basically looks. Alright guys, so now we have both of the camera together right now. Yeah guys, so we are just testing to see basically how these basically camera all together. As you can see right here, just doing a vlog type videos just to match them up. Understand, out here basically very hot. The sun is very hot right now. Time is very bright. We're just testing to see how this basically works. You understand? As you can see right here. So basically we are just testing right now the audio quality. I'm going to test the audio quality on the Hero 5. So right now we are hearing the audio quality from the Hero 5 right here. And now I'm going to test the audio quality on the GoPro Hero 11 to basically see, you guys get some idea of how this basically sounds with each audio. So we're out here seeing you guys, just give you guys a basically overview of how this basically looks. So yeah, hope you guys see the quality and if we can match up each of these camera together, and if these cameras still relevant in 2023 and beyond, and if the GoPro Hero 5 can still hold it against the GoPro Hero 11. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you find this video very helpful. I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.